Hi everyone, it's Brianne of the Huntswoman at _Huntswoman on all social media channels. And you're gonna wanna go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. And today I have Karen Rich of Rich Makeup Artistry. And Karen and I have worked on a few projects. So Karen, you wanna talk about where you went to school and how this whole spread happened?
Yeah, so I went to an aesthetic school. It's Acadia Spa and School of Aesthetics.
Oh, yeah, okay.
In Provo, Utah. They do an advanced makeup course because I didn't want to be an esthetician. I just wanted to do the makeup. So I did that, and it's great.
Voila. Here we are.
Here we are today.
Go. And then where can people find you online and on social media?
So on Instagram, it's at Rich Makeup Artistry. And then I have a website. It's just richmakeup.co.
Here we go. So we're gonna do a soft glam look, or what are we thinking today?
You said you wanted glam, right?
Glam. We're doing glam. Yes, I'm ready for glam.
Yeah.
Okay, so what does that mean?
I think it means something different to everyone.
Okay.
There's the Jeffree Star, Jaclyn Hill, very, very glam.
Yeah.
And then there's more wearable glam.
Yeah.
So it depends on what you want.
Where is she going tonight?
Yeah.
Okay, let's think black tie glam.
Okay, so kind of more high.
Yeah.
High
contrast. Okay, so how do we start?
So every makeup application, you want to start with a fresh, clean face.
Okay.
The fresher and cleaner your face, the better. You just want to make sure that your skin is dry. Let those dry, and while those are drying, we can move on to lips.
Really? Thought it goes a bright. Oh, remember that time you did the two tones?
Yeah.
Let's do that.
So we're gonna do some lip liner. This is by SENNA in the shade Crimson.
Okay. How do I
As
do
long
this?
as it'll go. You're fine.
Okay.
So
the angles are hard. Okay, here we go.
It's hard. So I'm gonna keep this pretty flat like this up against your lip. That'll just allow me to get a good line. Oh, my stomach. And instead of doing one big long line, lots of little ones that you connect, make straighter lines. Okay, open your mouth a little for me. Just a tiny bit around that fine line that I made. Just to give us some to blend in with.
So, did you make it a little thicker on the sides? Was that to blend?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're doing kind of a little, I guess, ombre type of thing around there, just to give us some to grab and blend in with our other lip color. So good. Okay. So this is Brick Dust by MAC. I'm just gonna scrape some of this off. If this is your own makeup that you're doing, you don't have to do this, but I do this because I use my makeup on multiple people. We want to keep it nice and sanitary.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do just MAC red lipstick mixed with that. Yeah.
This is where the artistry and makeup artistry comes into play.
I'm really bad. We're just gonna mix this in.
I keep making that noise. I regret nothing.
It's good though. It's a good noise. I'm gonna put in a little bit of this purple right here by Makeup Forever. This is one of their lipstick palettes in whatever that is, Artist Rouge.
There we go.
Just so we can get kind of a bit of a cranberry-esque color.
It's like an ASMR video, but like just visually.
This is Bob Ross.
Happy trees.
No mistakes, only happy accidents.
Oh.
That's what I have to tell myself.
All right, what brush are we using?
This is the Bdellium Tools 542, or like a concealer brush, but I love to use it for lips.
Oh, okay.
And we're just gonna go right along that lip line, again grabbing that red and kind of blending it into the rest of the lips. And if you want this to act as more of a stain, you wanna go in like light layers, because if you go in with a heavy layer, it's all just gonna come off. But if you go light layers, it stains your lips and it's gonna last a little longer. So I really want to blend that liner in, so you can't really see where the liner begins and where that shade of lipstick, where the liner ends and the shade of lipstick begins. We're putting on. There we have.
Okay, so this one's more pointy than this one. Do we want to fix that at all?
Oh, yeah, thanks. It's hard for me to see.
You're good. Perfect. There it is. Are we done?
We're gonna just run some mascara through your lashes to blend them in, and then we'll be done.
The dog is sleeping on my feet. It's very exciting.